Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today I will be doing the final challenge prompt for this month, that word being shine. Shine like the sun we finally have here in Minnesota. So let's get into this painting. Now coming into this piece, I thought about doing something with the sun or maybe something like with a flashlight, but I decided to go with a diamond, using the words shine bright like a diamond. Fun fact, those words are mine. I wrote those. No one else has ever said those sequence of words before me. Just throwing that fun fact out there. But no, this piece, I really wanted to try painting a diamond because I thought it would be a fun challenge. Using the colors I have with the black background, it was a totally different challenge altogether. I had to figure out how to make something that is pretty much clear look really good on this black background. And this is what we got. But I'm going to be quiet and let you guys enjoy this last bit, and I will see you guys at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it, our completed piece using the word shine. Now, I really like the way that this turned out, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now, don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, they're gonna be right in your brochure. And make sure you subscribe with your notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you like my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!